In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Taobao. If you shop on Taobao and want prices to display in a currency you recognize, this walkthrough will make it quick and stress-free. We'll do everything on the Taobao website, and you can be logged in or browse as a guest. It works either way. Start by opening your web browser and going to taobao.com. Once you're on the homepage, scroll all the way down to the very bottom. In the footer area, you'll find a section that controls language and currency. This is where Taobao keeps the display settings that affect how prices appear throughout the site. Now, look for the currency switcher. It's typically labeled Huobi or simply currency. You'll usually see a small drop-down showing options like CNY with the Yuan symbol, USD with a dollar sign, HKD with the Hong Kong dollar sign, EUR with the euro symbol, and GBP with the pound sign. Click that drop-down to reveal the full list available to your region. Choose the currency you prefer Taobao to display. Common choices include USD for US dollars, EUR for euro, PHP when it's available, SGD for Singapore dollars, AUD for Australian dollars, and HKD for Hong Kong dollars. Keep in mind that what you see in the list can vary by region, and some locations only offer USD and a few major currencies. If you don't see the one you want, don't worry, I'll show you a quick workaround in a moment. After you select your currency, the page will usually refresh on its own. From there, prices across the site will show in your chosen currency, and product pages will reflect converted amounts. One important note, the currency change is for display and browsing only. Payments on Taobao are still settled in CNY, so your bank or payment provider will perform the final conversion. That means the amount you pay can vary slightly based on exchange rates and any fees from your card or wallet. If the currency menu is missing or hidden, try adjusting the region setting. In the same footer, look for DQ or region. Switch it to something like Global, Hong Kong, Singapore, or International. Some of these regions unlock the currency selector, making the drop-down appear where it wasn't before. Once you change the region, return to the currency setting and select your preferred option again. And that's it. With the currency set the way you like, browsing Taobao becomes much easier and more transparent. Happy shopping, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.